easy for our imagination to hijack our mood and turn something that could have been something that could have been a state of neutrality or bliss or tranquility or just ease, and turn it upside down, turn it into a state of chaos and panic and overthinking. They call the word babancha, which is chaotic thoughts, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. Really easy to slip down that path where imaginations just take you off into one world, and they put you into another world, and they put you into another world. And if you're not careful of knowing that these are just dreams that are inside your head, they'll manifest itself outwardly, and you'll be affecting other people who are also around you relatively. Figuratively, they're going to affect the closest people around you first. I was talking to a friend of mine, and I was really excited to talk to them. Woke up early, really excited to start a nice dhamma conversation, talk about things of the dhamma, and they started to speak about concerns that were not really concerns. They were just imaginations from their own mind that they really believed to be real because of their own insecurities, their own fears, or whatever it is. And there was nothing that I could say to assure them that what you are seeing inside your mind is not real. You are taking a hypothetical situation or an imaginative situation and making it real because you want it to be real. How do you give advice to somebody who doesn't want to accept that what you are participating with is not real? It's make-believe. I think a lot of this unwillingness to let go of destructive thoughts is a prime example of the meaning and understanding of dhamma, which is cravings or wantings. You feel that you're going to get some type of benefit. You feel that you're going to get some type of reward for having these thoughts. But in the end, they are like a person who grabs the tail end of a snake, thinking that if I grab the tail of a snake, it won't bite me. But what happens is you grab the tail end of the snake and it turns around and bites you. So this is one of the reasons why I really feel that having strong mindfulness is extremely important in our path, so we can really see how to find our way out of the problems that our mind I saw that in my own path that for me to make the change, to make myself more open to accept the Dhamma, is when I became tired. When I just was fed up, I had enough. I had enough of my own behavior that wasn't getting me anywhere. I had enough of my own thoughts that weren't producing any type of peace in my mind. And I got tired of the same speech that didn't produce any more productive thoughts when my mind and my speech were communicating together. I got tired of saying the same things over and over and nothing happened. If you're not careful about how to spot and view that our power be to cut relationships that serve no purpose to our self-liberation, let our minds not taste remorse for what attachments we have lost, what we have given up, what we have felt so good about that brought no peace. Let us also not be afraid to say that we had enough when others think that we need to have more.